Alrighty, so using this new kind of routine method, we take the 3 and the -8 and we multiply them together. So that is going to be -24. And then we're looking for two numbers that multiply to that are 2 apart, because that's negative. So 6 and 4, 6 times 4 is 24. Which one's going to be negative? The bigger one to get this negative. So then we put our 3x squared here and our -8 there. So that's just gone like that. Then instead of -2x, we are going to go -6x plus 4x, because -6x plus 4x is -2x. Then we're going to factorise this bit here. What's common to both? The highest common factor is 3x, and that's x minus 2. And here the highest common factor is 4, and that's x minus 2. Then what we see is this is common to both. So because that's common to both, we have 3x plus 4 from here and here, lots of x minus 2. All right, so there we have factored it. 3x plus 4 and x minus 2. So we should be able to go back here and go 3x plus 4 and x minus 2 and submit. Okay, now here, when you've got that far, you can write your name and submit, and you get yourself a certificate that can go on your Google site, and you can claim your trophy in the trophy cabinet, and you can have a look. Oh, with your trophy cabinet, if you click here, you'll be able to see all the times and dates of all the different things that you've done. All right, so that's kind of cool.